Year 2012. Sleuths from the dreaded Enforcement Directorate knocked the doors of a Chennai-based 150 crore plus company over allegations of tax evasion. The search ended in the company operations coming to a standstill, and their accounts were on the verge of getting frozen. In this desperate situation, the first call from the company was to their tax consultant. The accounting acumen and thorough knowledge of the intricacies of the tax laws, coupled with the swift actions of the consultant, helped the company tide over this crisis smoothly, and in no time, their operations were back on track. The tax consultant was none other than R. Balachandar. P.R. Balachandar, founder CEO of Brain Park Consultants Private Limited, was born in Peringalattur in 1977. He is the youngest son of Thiru Ramamurthy and Tirumadi Thailambar. Balachandar grew up with three brothers, Selvakumar, Srinivasan, Gurumurthy, and a sister, Vijayalakshmi. His father was working in Standard Motors those days. With frequent lockdowns, the family struggled to make ends meet. However, as the youngest, Bala was ensured food on the plate by his parents and siblings. He studied in Krompet Boys Higher Secondary School, as the family's financial situation did not allow him the privilege of studying in private or English medium schools. But this did not deter his enthusiasm for learning. Bala excelled in his studies and obtained high marks in school finals. This secured him a seat for a bachelor degree in commerce in D.B. Jain Arts College. But that is not the happy ending. The college demanded Rs 3,000 per year as fees.
+2 நல்ல மார்க் வாங்கி காலேஜில் எனக்கு பிகாம் கோர்ஸ் கிடச்சிது. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது எனக்கு. ஆனால் வருஷத்துக்கு 3000 ஃபீஸ்ன்னு சொன்னாங்க. நான் எப்படி கட்டுறதுன்னு தெரியல. ஸோ சின்ன சின்ன வேலை பண்ணி அதை கட்டலான்னு டிசைட் பண்ணேன் நான்.
Amidst these financial struggles, Bala had to work hard for money in that young age. He woke up every day at 4 a.m. in the morning, cycled to the nearby milk depot, where he assisted in packing milk. The monthly remuneration for this was a meager 150 rupees, but it helped a lot to pay the college fees. Meanwhile, he passed typewriting higher and got a part-time job in the office of advocates Raja and Ranganathan. This helped him to grasp the basics of legal processes and documentation. Working day and night did not hinder his college education. During 1997, he successfully completed his BCom degree. Immediately, he got placed in Shankar's healing system for a monthly salary of Rs 9,000. However, his brother Selvakumar wanted Bala to be a part of his startup firm, SS Accounts and Consultancy. Bala chose the latter offer. Ritchie Street, in the heart of Chennai, was an area where numerous small establishments were doing brisk business. SS Accounts and Consultancy got the first client there in 1997. Mrs. Ultimate Cisco Tech entrusted SS Accounts and Consultancy with their accounts. It was a slow and steady growth, with clients trickling in. By 1999, they were handling the accounts of more than 30 companies.
1997 நானும் செல்வகுமாரும் ஆரம்பித்தோம். அப்போ செல்வகுமார் அண்ட் சுரேஷ் பாபுன்ற தான் எஸ்எஸ்ன்னு ஆரம்பித்தோம். ரிச்சி ஸ்ட்ரீட்டில் போய் ஒரு கடையாக ஏறி இறங்கி ஒரு கிளைண்ட்டையும் அவங்களுக்கு இந்த அக்கௌண்ட்ஸை பற்றி புரிய வச்சு அவங்களுடைய எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸையும் மாற்ற சொல்லி என்னென்னலாம் அவங்களுக்கு தேவைன்றதெல்லாம் அந்த நேரத்தில் எடுத்து சொல்லி அன்றைக்கி பாலச்சந்தருடைய கடின உழைப்பும் செல்வகுமாரனுடைய அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் தான் இன்றைக்கி ஒரு லெவல் வந்திருக்குன்றதை எங்களால் உறுதியாக சொல்ல முடியும்.
By 2006, impressed by his hard work and accounting prowess, Impact Delta India Private Limited appointed Bala as their chief consultant for all operations. By 2009, Bala wanted to expand his business in all areas. In the year 2012, he got enrolled as a lawyer He started representing his clients at various judicial forums for direct and indirect taxation cases. The firm SS Accounts and Consultancy is now Brain Park Consultants India Private Limited with a clientele in excess of 600 firms.
1997 நாங்கள் இந்த கம்பெனியை ஃப்ளோட் பண்ணோம். ஆரம்பிக்கும்போது ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டோம். இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தீங்கன்னு சொன்னால் அரௌண்ட் 600 கிளைண்ட்ஸ் வரைக்கும் நாங்கள் பார்க்குறோம்.
In the year 2005, elders decided it was time for Bala to tie the knot. Wait. Let's get into a small flashback. Bala thought Raji doesn't talk much, but after marriage, jokes aside, though theirs is a marriage arranged by elders, it's indeed a match made in heaven. Bala and Raji share a natural harmony, having common values, beliefs and interests. Gifted with boundless energy, the ever-enthusiastic Raji is the lady behind Bala's success. The couple is blessed with 2 adorable, smart and studious children. Son Varun has chosen the footsteps of his father and is pursuing CA, and daughter Vibha is in high school. Challenges he faced in his childhood had made Bala a person who is well aware of his social responsibilities. In 2012, at the behest of Rotarian Ramanathan, Bala joined Rotary Club of Guindy. Since then, he has rendered remarkable work under the Rotary umbrella. Treasurer in the years 2015-16 and 17-18, Vocational Services Director in the year 2019-20, Club Secretary in the year 2020-21, Trust Treasurer during 2020-22, Club Service Director during 2021-22, Jean Harris Chairman in the year 2021-22, and he is a major donor now. Everyone needs a house to live in, but a supportive family is what makes a home. For Balachanda, his family built his life. As the youngest, they loved him, mentored him, comforted him, supported him, and sacrificed for him. As a family, they steadfastly stood beside him in all his professional pursuits and also in his public life. His Annas, Mannis, nieces, nephews all live as a joint family under one roof. It is uncommon nowadays to see such close-knit bonding. From humble beginnings, Bala has come a long way and has carved a name for himself, not only in his profession but also in discharging his duties towards the society as a responsible citizen. Hard work, resilience, adherence to ethics, a clear vision, and not forgetting one's roots are traits that set apart Bala as an entrepreneur, team player, and a human being. Now, it is time for him to lead the Rotary Club of Guindy for the year 2023-24. Welcome, dear Balachanda.